If you're a parent or maybe an educator, you definitely know the feeling, right? Just this like flood of information, trying to find good ways to help kids learn and get them excited about stuff.
Yeah, it's a lot. And what our sources for this deep dive seem to show is how some places really step up. They become, well, more than just a fun afternoon out. They're like real partners in education.
And today we're focusing on one, the Discovery Children's Museum in Las Vegas. It's a pretty significant resource, particularly for the education community there.
And what jumps out isn't just cool exhibits, it seems to be driven by this really clear mission.
Yeah, I saw that. It's about inspiring innovative thinkers,
Yeah.
using like hands-on discovery, right? And
Yeah.
collaboration, fostering a welcoming place.
And that phrase you mentioned before we started recording, putting kids first, that really seemed central.
It did, yeah. Feels like more than just a catchphrase. The sources painted a picture of that philosophy, really guiding their programs, the whole environment they create.
Like the experiences are actually designed around how kids naturally get curious and, how they develop.
Okay, if you're listening and looking for these kind of learning opportunities, what does that actually mean? What does the museum do?
First off, something that really stands out is how their commitment goes beyond just the building itself.
Ah, you mean the home discoveries. Yeah.
Yeah, they offer like free digital resources, videos, experiments you can do at home, stuff like that, all online.
Which is pretty great. It backs up that idea they have that the doors to discovery are never closed, even after hours. Kind of nice.
Yeah. And it's not just random stuff either. It's all built around STEAM.
Right. Science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Good reminder for anyone maybe newer to that term.
And importantly, the materials noted resources for parents too, and stuff in Spanish and even ASL, American Sign Language. So they're really trying to be broadly accessible.
That definitely shows a real effort, doesn't it, to
Hmm.
kind of break down barriers and let that hands-on thinking continue, like from the museum right to your kitchen table or classroom. Speaking of hands-on, the sources also talked quite a bit about their summer camps. Those sounded pretty amazing for building modern skills.
Like Robot Revolution, I think, and Tinker with Tech. Sounds cool. And the point seemed to be they're not just arts and crafts. They're designed to build real critical thinking, all in small groups.
And run by actual educators.
And another thing highlighted was their accessibility, like the Museums for All program. They offer really valuable stuff, whether you can physically go there or just connect online. A genuine partner for parents and educators.
That putting kids first idea really seems to echo through the at-home discoveries and those engaging summer camps we talked about. They're like prime examples.
Exactly.
So, bottom line, if you're looking for ways to support learning, spark that innovative spark in kids, you should really check out the Discovery Children's Museum. Look at their online stuff, or, hey, if you're near Vegas, plan a visit.
Definitely worth exploring. And maybe just final thought to leave you with based on all this. How might providing kids with these kinds of environments, places really designed for hands-on exploration and critical thinking, how might that truly unlock their unique potential for innovation later on?